Hey, I was at the Dollar Tree yesterday picking up some generic Lego for me to build, and I happened to notice that they had a cutting machine pad for $1.25. It says it's light grip, but I'm going to go ahead and give this a test on my Silhouette Cameo 3 and we'll see how this goes. Okay, we're all loaded in the machine. I'm just going to be doing a small print here. So far it seems to be sticking pretty well. It feels like my normal standard grip, not a light grip, but that's fine by me. So let me get this cut and we'll see how it does. Okay, so first thing I notice is the boxes don't line up perfectly where they should have. You'll see the top of my little thing got cut off, but other than that, it looks pretty good. This part kind of unhooked, but this is Dollar Tree vinyl, so that always happens. So I'll get this pulled off and weeded and we'll see how bad it actually is now. Okay, so everything cut very nicely. It did not cut through into the mat, which was good. It peeled off of the mat perfectly fine as well. So really the only complaint I have about that cutting mat is that the squares don't really line up where you would expect them to. So you will have to take that into account and probably put your stuff a ½ inch higher than you normally would. But if you can get used to that, that is a bargain for a cutting mat, and I would recommend picking some of those up if you see them.